Hi everyone, it's Donna from spaceman from papercrafts, and I'm back with the second in the Halloween in August collab, organised by Sam, who is the Scottish crafter here on YouTube. And we are bringing videos to you. There's a list of talented ladies in the description bar below, along with all their links, and we're all going to be bringing you a video every Sunday throughout August. So after this one there's 2 more left, and I've been watching some of the videos from last week, and yeah, I'm blown away by these ladies. They are all amazingly talented crafters. I still have a few more to watch, but I'm really enjoying it. So my project this week are these cute little milk carton boxes. Now I can't take credit for this design. This design was I saw it on Pootle's Papercraft, and I think they are so cute for Halloween. They're just really cute, and I thought I'd make some for my son's class to do for some Halloween treats. The lid sort of pops off and you've got plenty of room in there for your treats, and then the lid just pops back on. And I've used the sentiments and the little bat and the pumpkin from a lawn fawn set called Spooktacular. I love this set, so I'm going to do the next one with a cat, so I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's move these 2 out of the way. So what you need is a piece of cardstock. You need to cut this at just a fraction smaller than 7.5. So if I show you what I mean on my trimmer, let's see if I can get it without blurring. So say, because this is like 4.5, this little bit right before there would be where you would cut it. So it's just a fraction smaller than 7.5 by 7.5. okay, and we need to do it that size so the lid fits on nicely. And then for your lid, this is just some paper, and this measures 10.5 by 3. Okay, so I'm just going to bring my scoreboard in, and let's make sure I can get it in frame for you. So on the box, it's just simple 2.5 inches on all 4 sides to make up our box. Okay, so we will come back and put that together in a moment. So while I've got the scoreboard out, if you take your paper that measures 10.5 by 3, so you need to score it in a few places. You need to score at 2.5, at 5, at 7.5 and 10. Then you need to rotate it onto the short side and then score at 1 and at 2.5. And that's all your scoring done. Okay, so let's fold and burnish. It's really important that you burnish this well, because I had a couple of fails with lids when I was making the prototypes here, because I didn't crease very well and it wouldn't sort of fold correctly and it looked horrible. So I found that if I really burnished well, I didn't get too much of an issue. So we're going to burnish all of these score lines really well. And then the last one. Okay, now it comes to the adhesive. So you've got this 1 inch small bit at the top here. We've got a larger score at the bottom and then a smaller one at the top. So on the inside of the top piece, we're going to put our adhesive. Now in the video that I watched, Sam did hers and she tried it with wet glue, but it warped the paper. So she advised double-sided tape, and I find that double-sided tape works so much better. So that's that bit. Then we need to flip it over, and on the smallest flap here at the side, we're going to put some more double-sided tape. And then what you want to do is, again, on the smaller flap at the top, you want to pick two pieces. Now, as long as there's one in between, so I'll just do this one, miss one, and then do this one. So you've got tape on two pieces, on the side and on that flap on the inside. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to join our lid together. So we're just going to peel that strip off, the small strip there, the small score, and that gives us this sort of shape here. Okay, then you're going to try and get inside where you've put your double-sided tape and just peel that off. Okay, so now the bits that you've got your tape on the outside, these go to the left and the right. Okay, the blank pieces are at the front and the back. So what you're going to do is pinch in. We're not going to take this adhesive off yet, but we're just going to pinch in and seal, and this is where the good crisp scores come in. Although mine are not actually plain ball at the moment. There we go. And we need to close it there. Okay, now you can easily just get in to the sides and close them up too. And this is actually the trickiest part of this box, is doing the lid. There we go. We've got our cute little lid ready for our little milk carton. Okay, so we'll bring in the base. Now remember, we scored this at 2.5 on all 4 sides. So we're just going to fold and burnish all of those score lines. And now we're going to cut. We're going to cut this in like a windmill style. Rather than cut this way and then this side and this side, we're going to do a cut along one of the score lines. We're going to take quite a big wedge out because we want to eliminate some bulk, and then we're going to snip this tab in half. Okay, and then you would rotate it and do the same. So we're going to snip up, take a big notch out, and cut that in half roughly. Rotate and do the same again. Take a big wedge out and roughly chop it in half. Then rotate and do the final one. And then roughly chop it in half. So I'll leave that down for you and show you that's what we're going to be working with, that shape. Just want to get rid of all of these bits here off my desk. Okay, so out of quickness, I'm just going to use a tape roller to secure my edges. So you put tape or glue. Wet glue would be okay here. I'm just using a tape runner for speed and for the video purposes. Okay, so it just goes together as you would a standard box. You just fold the edges and press them down. So there's our box. And we'll just check that everything fits. Yes, it does. Okay, so now I've cut these out. I've cut this sentiment out, have a perfect Halloween, and obviously with my little cat. So I'm just going to pop this on the front there, and I'm just going to use some wet glue for that. Just lift that off a minute. And then I'm going to stick our little cat up there. And there we go. Nice, simple, but very effective and very sweet little milk carton boxes. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please pop over to all the other channels and have a look at what all the other ladies are making today. And I do hope I'll see you back for the third part, the third week of the Halloween in August hop. And thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much again guys. The links for everything you need are in the description bar below. Take care guys. Bye for now.